Secretary, I understand hindi lang po ito yung bodega na in-inspect nyo. Kumusta po yung inspection sa mga warehouses?
Okay, first, good morning sa lahat, no? And thank you for having us. Yes, nag-inspect din kami actually sa groceries at saka manufacturing plants such as Century. And they have enough food supply that will last for 30 days or more. So, yun lang ang gusto nating malaman ng publiko, that we have enough supply of food. For those that, ang chine-check talaga namin yung sa basic necessities and prime commodities, those that are listed in the list that DTI controls, yung presyo na kinokontrol po ng DTI.
Currently, ma'am, they have enough inventory. Paano naman po yung raw materials, ma'am?
They have enough inventory. Of course, may raw materials din yan sila. Pero ang importante talaga ngayon is really to make sure that they have enough inventory to supply yung mga needs ng ating mga kababayan.
Secretary, kanina nag-inspect kayo kasama si Ipong. Meron bang direktibo sa inyo si
Yes, ang direktiba is to constantly communicate with the manufacturers and the different industries to make sure that may enough supply tayo ng pagkain para sa taong bayan.
Ma'am, currently po, nakaka-receive ba ang DTI ng mga reports na may nag-hoard or meron ng profit?
So far, wala pa po. Wala pa pong kaming nare-receive. And we've been monitoring on a daily basis because, again, we have a department in DTI that handles this particular scenarios. No? So we have 18 regional offices from Region 1 to Region 18. So nakatutok po kami dito sa mga groceries and supermarkets to make sure that there is no price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities. These are those products that are in the list given by DTI. Itong list na to makikita ninyo sa mga supermarkets at mga groceries, and makita nyo rin online sa website ng DTI. So to all the consumers, let's be aware kung magkano talaga yung presyo ng mga basic necessities and prime commodities.
Just in case, Secretary, meron natanggap na information ng ating mga consumers na medyo tumaas yung presyo ng kanilang binibili. Any hotline kung saan?
Yes, thank you for that question. No? They can go to 1-384 or they can report to sec@dti.gov.ph.
Ma'am, after a month, ano po ba yung assurance ng mga manufacturers kung kaya pa ba nila mag-endure?
That's a good question then. No? We are actually communicating now on a weekly basis with the manufacturers and the stakeholders also. So we will keep on reporting kasi this is an unusual case naman. This is a worldwide situation. So kailangan talagang ma-update rin ng mga tao kung ano talagang real situation. But at least for now, the manufacturers that have products in the basic necessities and prime commodities have assured us that there will be no price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities for the next 30 days. Yung ibang produkto po, meron tayo hanggang 60 days.
Ma'am, ano po yung pledge naman ng mga supermarket owners?
Yung supermarket owners naman is just to retain, of course, the prices of the basic necessities and prime commodities.
Alright,
Okay,
thank you,
thank
ma'am.
you.